Which VPN is better? In this video, I'm going to give you a rundown on the strengths and weaknesses of both of these VPNs. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a rundown and my thoughts on which one is better and the reasons for why which one is better. Starting with Netbird is more of one of those virtual private networks. If you're trying to go for like zero interaction, like zero data save, basically what I'm saying is Netbird is more open source. Like it doesn't need a firewall. It doesn't need a private network. It can just like go over databases, the standards that are currently set on your computer. It can just like almost override them, but in an extremely safe way. Just like it's extremely easy to set up. And Netbird's genuinely better if you are just scaling like a bigger team. Now you can use it for like any of them, but the main difference between Tailscale is Tailscale leans towards functionality with ACL sync, but Netbird emphasizes user experience and minimal, configuration. So it's basically just really easy to use. What Tailscale is it's basically a peer-to-peer mesh VPN that was built on WireGuard, which is another VPN virtual private network application out there, and it's designed to simply prevent networks with minimal configuration. Now, the strengths of Tailscale are it's extremely easy to set up and configure and just deploy on all of your devices, and if you are using it in a business or a ton of people, it is really easy to just set up and use in general. It has really fast speeds and really high speed security. So like everything you do is just extremely secure and it's just really quick to respond to that. It has automatic key management, meaning it handles all rotations and distribution seamlessly when you're actually using it. So it appears that you're not even like on a VPN, just like you're on your normal network. And it does this really well across all of the devices, which I think is a major strength to this VPN. And it also integrates with identity providers, which is Google Workspace, Microsoft Autica, and any other providers like so. Now, just really good because you can like use it on pretty much anything flawlessly. And of course, the best part is it doesn't cost any money. It's completely free, which is actually shocking, which is why I think it's ideal for individual small teams and developers who are in need for fast and secure devices or services in a straightforward way. That's a good thing about this VPN. Kind of all you need to know. Those are just the highlights, and I've also made this table that I'll attach on screen right now. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments, or other people if you find anything helpful.